What's going on, boys? Today we're gonna make a new jazz type beat. We're gonna do something kind of like for bbtrickz. I'll play a little snippet so you guys catch the vibes. I'm gonna try to teach you guys like how to build chords in that style, how to do the leads, how to do the drums, everything all in one. I'm gonna show you guys the sauce, secret sauce. Anyway, let's get right to it. Oh, he bobbed down. Dodging and weaving the camera for like 2 minutes. First things first, we're gonna set our BPM, and for these kind of beats you want to keep your BPMs around like 120 to 135-ish. That being said, I'm just gonna rock out with the OG 130 right here. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a one shot, and I'm gonna go into my untitled drum kit, which is out now. If you guys want it, link is down below. It has a bunch of one shots, drums, chords, loops, everything, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys are looking for some new sounds and you guys want to help support the channel, check it out. I appreciate you guys, and updates coming soon, so let's get right to it. First thing I'm going to do with this one shot is I'm going to click over here, go here to open the envelope, then alt and scroll wheel down, and this basically puts the attack all the way down, puts the release all the way down. But I'm just going to turn up the release a little bit, just so it fades out a little bit. Now that we got our one shot set up, let's start laying down the chords here. For our scale, we're in C minor here. The easy way to build these kinds of chord progressions is we're going to start with our root note right here, which is C, and we're going to count 5 highlighted lines up, which are 5 notes in our scale. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to delete these. So now we have our first bass note for our chords. Let's just extend this out, and now we're going to count 1 more up. And now that we have this note, we're going to count 6. We're going to count 6 notes down from here. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, here's 6. Delete these. So now we have our bass notes for our chords. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold control and then click to select these, and then hit control down arrow. We're going to pitch this down, and now I'm just going to add these notes right here, and then we're going to go 1 up right here. And I'm just going to build out some like minor 7s, major 7 kind of chords. To do that, we're just going to start from our bass note right here. We're going to count 2 notes up. So here's 1, here's 2. Now we're going to count 2 more up. 1, 2. Now 2 more up. 1, 2. And now we have a G minor 7. And then for this chord, same thing. We're just going to skip 2 notes, skip 2 notes. Same thing here. We're going to do the exact same thing. Count 2 notes up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then, you know, just for safe measures, we're going to add 1 more, make it a minor 9. 1, 2. Yeah. Then we just paste this over, hit control L to extend that. And then here, same thing. We're going to skip 2 note spaces. 1, 2. Now skip 2 more notes. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then let's just do 1 more just for the vibes. 1, 2. We're going to diminish this one right here. So just put it 1 note down. It's out of key, but trust me, it will sound fire. Control B, paste it over. And then I think this right here, we're going to kind of offset a little bit. And we'll do the same thing right here. Actually, no, we'll do that for all these. Just offset them a little bit. And this method for like skipping every 2 notes is really good for building like the bass chords. And then if you want to make these chords a little bit more advanced, you can take them from here and then start moving them around and everything. Anyway, so now that we have our chords, let's get a layer, and then we're gonna do a lead right after. So let's just clone this up just so we have our envelope saved. Basically, you don't have to redo the envelope. Let's try this one right here, and let's just copy our chords, paste them in here. Let's try a different one. If you quickly want to change your sounds around, if you're on FL24, just select right here and then click on your sound, hit enter, it'll switch out the sound. But if you're on an older version of FL, hover over the sound and then hit tab, and then it'll switch it out for you. I don't know why they changed it, but anyway, now that we have our chords down, let's get a lead. I'm going to be using my untitled kit. I'm going to grab this Zig lead. This one's super fire. And then we're going to go to the envelope, attack all the way down. And then we're going to hold alt, scroll wheel down, put the release all the way down. Go over here to the wrench, hit porta on, set this to 1. And let's get started on our lead here. Now I kind of just like pick a random note, feel it out from there. No diddy. I'm just going to turn it up a little bit. Turn it up. We're going to take this, copy it over, and then we're just going to move these around. Hold shift, drag it over. Now let's just do a little variation right here. And then, you know what? We're going to take these notes here, hit shift D. We're just going to shorten it. So now that we have our chords and our lead done, I'm going to add a little lead on the 1, make it kind of like glide in. Copy this exact same lead here, and then we're going to add a little note right here on the 1, and then a slide note right here. Just double click it, hit this right here, hit accept, and now it's going to like slide down. Let me just kind of shorten it. That's actually fire. That sounds sick. You know what? Let's try reversing this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this velocity, put it all the way down, and then grab the slide note, put it at the exact same start time as the original note, and now it's gonna like reverse it. That's hard. We're gonna copy it over, hold shift, drag it over. Maybe we'll bring this down right here. Just like the same notes. So now let's just take all our sounds, click right here, click and drag, go over here to open the mixer. Let's go to track 1, hit shift control L, and now we have all our sounds routed here. I like doing this because it like gives the name right here so you easily know what sound it is. I'm gonna add some delay to this sound right here. I'm just gonna go to my untitled kit, go to mixer presets, grab the Z key delay right here. It's just kind of like a wavy delay preset. Just take out some of the lows. Turn down these keys, and then I'm just gonna take all our mixer sounds, hold shift control, and then click these, and then go to this arrow here, right click, route to this track only, and I'm gonna grab this melody master right here from my kit. Let me just rename this mel master, and basically it just has a little bit of compression and comb filter just to bring all the melodies together. I like where our melody is right now, so let's just get started on the drums, and then I might add some more melody or something on top, but for now this is cool. I'm gonna go to my untitled kit, links down below. Let's get a clap. Get a hi-hat. Let's add this crash. Let's do our hi-hat. I want to bring the velocity of this note down. An easy way to do this in the channel rack is go over here, hit this, and then make sure this is set to velocity. And if you put this down, it'll turn down the velocity. We're gonna make this a crazy roll. Yeah, I think we're gonna do this drill kind of ting right here. Add a little perk. Yeah. Let's add this little. It's some fucks, you know how it rocks. It's some fucks, you know how it rocks. Take those out. Let's just keep the last ones. Okay, now let's get started on the 808s. Untitled kit, look at this. Just madness, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna use this BBL 808. It's like my favorite one right now. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click right here, go over here to the envelope, hold Alt, scroll wheel down, this all the way down, scroll wheel down, put the release all the way down. So whenever you let go of the note, it just stops playing. But if you don't do it, it kind of like fades out a little bit. You see how it doesn't stop? But yeah, you want to put this all the way down, and this makes it so they don't like clash basically. I'm just gonna follow the root notes right here. G, keep it simple, you know the vibes. G sharp, back to C, hit control B, and then move this up to D, no diddy, hit control B, hit control up arrow, pitch it up, and then hit control A to select everything. Options, scroll wheel up, put the velocities up, and now we got a yamming. We're gonna take these notes right here, hit control X to copy and delete them, and then we're gonna clone this 808 so we have our envelope saved, and we're gonna add this classic 808 right here, drag it over. We can shorten this, hit control B right there, take this note, hit command X. Let's go to our penny X, hit control V. Ooh, that was kind of tough. We go to our BBL 808, take that out. Wait, maybe rock out like this right here. Ooh, you know what? We're gonna slide it down. We're gonna add that, double click it, pitch it up. You know how it acts. And then I think we're gonna take this 808 right here, this 808, hit control X, copy and delete, go over here, copy this 808, let's clone it, let's pick out a different 808. I don't know, maybe we do this bass, hit control V, I would just move it over to where it was. You know what? We're gonna add this right here. Hold shift, drag it over, go back to our original BBL 808 right here. Take this out. We're gonna add another 808. So we're gonna take this first note right here. Let's hit control X, and then let's add it into this 808 right here. Hit control V. Ooh, you know what? We're gonna do a reverse. Double click it, go right here. Let's put this velocity all the way down. Ooh, that was tough. We're gonna add that right there. That's nasty. Maybe move that over. I think what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add another lead. Let's go to Hive. Has some like a bunch of weird sounds in here. Let's go to mono leads. And we're basically gonna do a similar pattern to our first lead, but we're just gonna make it a little bit simpler and try to make it like as catchy as we can. I'm gonna take that D out, pause, no diddy. I think I'm gonna put like shaper box on that. Let's try to add some sauce to it. Add a compressor to it. Let's change the sound though. My camera overheated when I started doing the 808. I don't know what happened. It just overheated. It is what it is. We're gonna keep rolling. Let's go. I think we're done. I'm gonna go over here to pattern, right click, hit split by channel, and then let's get all our melodies in here. Let's arrange this. We're gonna do a little freestyle. Let's turn the auto all the way up though. Yeah. She said, ¿Cómo estás? I said, ¿Cómo le cas? Porque amigo, I got on Fox. Dude, if you're Spanish, I know like 6 words, so I've pretty much said everything I know. Tío, se llama Go. She said, ¿Cómo estás? I said, ¿Cómo le cas? You know how it go. She said, ¿Cómo estás? I said, ¿Cómo le cas? You know how all of it go. Tío se llama Goat, bro. And that's true facts right there. That's a true fact statement. Tío don't lie. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe, comment down below. My Tío se llama Goat. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. Also, if you guys are looking for some new sounds, check out the kit store. My Untitled kit is out now. Has a bunch of one-shots, loops, midis, phrases, vocals, drums. Literally everything you can need is all there. So if you guys are looking for some new sounds, make sure to check it out. Also, we have some free kits on our kit store too. Go get those. And mañana, ela mañana. I'll see you guys in the next one. And take care. Peace.